Hello friend, welcome to Android app development tutorial and this tutorial will be full on practical basis. There will be few things we'll discuss theoretical, but everything should be in a practical so that you can easily understand how to develop the application, and we'll go from the basic. Okay, and let's start. So first of all, what you required for the application development in Android. So first of all, you should have the Android or laptop or desktop. Then second and most important thing is Android Studio. Okay, then you should have a knowledge on Kotlin or Java, and then you have the real device, or you should have the emulator. That will be a default thing in Android Studio. So let's start how to download the Android Studio first. So open Google and type Android Studio. Once you will type Android Studio, there will be one link, download Android Studio, install Android Studio. So click over here. Once this site will be open, here you need to download the Android Studio. Click on here and it will download and install. It's easy to install. Okay, once if your installation has been done, then this kind of icon you'll get. You need to click on that. You will get this screen. Okay, so here you need to click on, there will be some option here. No project will be over there. So here only this option will be there: create new project, open existing project, get version control. All those things will be there, and here your Android Studio version. Okay, so here look at that. Here is 4.1.3 and mine is also 4.1.3. Okay, so click on the create new project. I have clicked. Then there will be lots of screens. Okay, so first we will choose the empty screen. Click here, then click on next. Then here name of your project. So I am writing Android first app. Okay, and this will be the your package name. So make always the unique package name. Okay, so with your name, with your company name, you can write the package name. That will be a very good. And here where you are saving this project, that location you need to choose. Okay, and then you need to select here you are going to make the application in Java or Kotlin. So I am going to make in Kotlin, and here the minimum version of Android, by default it will be selected. Okay, then click on finish. Once you'll finish, this window will get open. Okay, it will take some time to sync the project. Once everything will done, then your application will be in Android Studio. Code will be like that, waiting for the processing. Yeah, I think it's done. Yeah, done. So here you can see man activity, app compact activity, and here some setup of code by default came. This will be there only. So first we are going to understand the Android Studio, how we are going to work with Android Studio, because we need to understand the Android Studio, otherwise while we work it will be a problem. So first we are going to understand Android Studio tools, how to develop and what there are lots of option, icon, everything. We'll understand one by one, so it will be easy to understand while we develop. So here once you create your project, there will be two folders. One is app folder, another is Gradle scripts. Okay, so what files contain inside the app folder? First inside the app be having manifest file, then second is Java, then third is resource file. So first we are going to check in manifest file. Inside manifest file dot xml file. Okay, in Android manifest. Let it open that. Yeah. So here one application tag will be there. So inside lots of setup of code is there. Okay. So here man activity, we have seen this man activity assign here. This is the launcher activity. So while you run your application, this activity get called because this is launcher activity. First this activity will get called. Okay. And here you need this is a one default file generated by the Android Studio. Here you need to write the permission, internet permission, Wi-Fi permission, all kind of permission you need to add it here. Okay, if you having more activity you need to assign here. So other thing we'll discuss later. For currently just understand this is a default file generated was the Android Studio, and here we need to add the launcher activities. Okay, and then we are moving to the Java. In Java we having 3 folders. So one is test, another is Android test, and there is one with your package name. Okay, so with these two we are not going to do anything currently, and with this file we are going to work. Okay, here once we have clicked here we got man activity. Okay, so this is the our Kotlin classes. Okay, and then we'll close this. Okay, then we have resource. Here we have drawable, layout, mip map and value. So drawable, whatever images you are using to your application you need to add it here. Okay, we'll see later, but this is the image folder. Okay, and layout, whatever layout you are going to use. Layout means like you are going to make any design in the your application. So design should be here and the logic should be here in this folder. Okay, and this is the icon, your launcher icon, and in the value folder we having colors. So these are the default color given by the Google, and then there will be one string. So string, in this whatever string you wanted to add to your application, you just add it here with this name. Okay, suppose I wanted to create some text name, text login, I wanted to login. Okay, so here you need to click to login. Okay, and there here two themes are there. One is for day, another is for night. Okay, so these are the default theme given by the Google. Okay, so these are the our folder, and then second this one is our Gradle folder. So here we have two Gradle, build Gradle, this is for project level and this is for module level. So project level we have no need to do anything. In future when you wanted to add some dependency and all, then we can see, but here in module level you need to change your SDK version, you need to change your application version. Okay, and here when you wanted to add some dependency, you can add it here, any library you can add it here. Okay, and this will be some, it will say the version of the Gradle, and ProGuard no use currently, this will be not going to use, and here the directory. Okay, and here inside if you click in file, so we having new, open, So new means suppose you wanted to create another new application, you need to click on here. You wanted to create new package, you need to create directory, everything you need to create from the here new. And suppose you having some existing project and you wanted to open, then you click here and it will goes to your file and you can open directly. And then you wanted to open recent project, you can open through here. You wanted to close this current project, you can close. So these many and can exist. In edit there is no much usual. Suppose you want to copy or something, then you can do it. View also not much usual, this one also not. Refactor, sometime you want to do refactor, okay, delete and all. Then this one is needed, sometime you need to clean project, rebuild project, and while you are generating build for installing the any devices, then you need to click over here. Or if you wanted to upload in Play Store, then you need to generate sign apk and run from here. Also you can run tools, these many tools we can get from here. BCS, suppose you wanted to upload your project in GitHub or any other, then you need to use. And here help will be some like what kind of version you are using about the Android Studio, so all those things you will get here. And here what currently you have selected this application, so this will be here. And this will be your emulator, what emulator you are running or what device you are connected, this will be here. This is the run button. Once you click, your application will build and it will be installed to the devices. This is for debugging. Suppose you wanted to debug your application, we'll see about later. This one is also on here. This is a Gradle file, and this one you needed AVD manager. So suppose in your in your this will be emulator, suppose you wanted to create virtual devices. So here will be one screen and you need to click over the create virtual device, click over here, this window will get open. So you are going to create mobile phones, so click on phones, select here anything, okay, then click on next, and this should be a downloaded, okay, like this anything you can download. Like these are the showing the version of the Android, what version you are going to download in Android. So these many versions are you can download, and click on next, and then it will get created. Okay, so once it will get created, it will be attached here, like it is attached here. So once you now you can see the emulator has started. Now I wanted to run this. You can see the name. See, you can change your name. You can click over here and click on edit. Okay, sorry, here you can edit and you can change your name. Okay, anything you can keep it, no issue. And then I am going to run the Android Studio. See, so hello world, this is showing the application name, and this is one XML. So here you'll go layout and click on here. So here three button will be there. One is code, another is split and design. So in the design you can see the this kind of a screen, and here you can add something. And in split, if you click, you can see the code and screen also. So this hello world I was going to see here. If you are going to change the and run it, this text will get printed in our mobile. Okay, Android app development. So this is our text view, and these are, we'll talk about here, this is the XML file. Okay, and this is our parent constraint layout. So we have here view group and the view. So view group will be the parents of the layouts like linear layout, relative layout, constraint layout, or frame layout. Okay, and this view, inside view group we having view. So like text view, button, if you wanted to make it button, okay, image view. So these are the view. So here in every suppose let me add here one view. I am going to add text view. Okay, text view. So two things are must in text or any kind of view. First, width, and second, height. Other thing is even not mandatory, but as per your requirement you can add it, but these two things should be there, otherwise it's useless. Okay, it won't work. Suppose I am deleting this, it will be not going to work. Okay, text, size, alignment, everything is here. Once you will click here, you will get lots of things, lots of options, default option you will get here. Okay, so color, everything, whatever. So here you can write hello. Okay, so this kind of things we'll do in upcoming videos. This, and currently I hope you have understand, and the thing is currently you just make this image and add it here, one image. So how to add image here, what you need to do. So for adding image we having src, and here you need to choose drawable, or drawable we having some image. Okay, foreground and background. So this image, let me add background one. Yeah, so it got added, and run it. It's added image. Okay, so try to write your name, your college name, anything with 1-2 text. Later on we are going to discuss more with Android development tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you.